This video shows you the best Samsung hidden features you'll actually use in 2026 to improve your daily smartphone experience with powerful customization and productivity tools. Feature 1. Call background effects. You can personalize your calling screen with photos or videos. Open the phone app on your Samsung device. Tap the three dots menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Call Background and choose the SIM card you want to customize if you are using dual SIM. Tap Background at the bottom of the screen. Now press the plus icon to select an image or video from your gallery or choose a Samsung preset style. Finally, tap Set as Call Background to apply your new look. This makes every call more personalized and visually engaging. Feature 2. Edge Panels. Edge panels give you quick access to apps and tools. Open Settings and tap Display. Scroll down and select Edge Panels, then turn it on. You can now swipe from the edge of your screen to open shortcuts. Add your favorite apps, contacts, and even app pairs for split-screen multitasking. This feature helps you switch tasks faster and improves productivity significantly. Feature 3. Notification History. Never miss a notification again, even if you swipe it away. Go to Settings and tap Notifications. Open Advanced Settings, then select Notification History. Turn the toggle on. Once enabled, your phone will save all recent notifications for up to 24 hours. This is useful for recovering missed messages, alerts, or app updates that were accidentally dismissed. Feature 4. Dual Messenger. Use two accounts of the same app on one device. Open Settings and go to Advanced Features. Tap Dual Messenger and enable the apps you want to clone, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram. Confirm by tapping Install. You can also separate contact lists for each account, helping you keep work and personal communication fully organized. That's it. These Samsung hidden features will make your phone smarter, faster, and more useful in everyday life. Thanks for watching.